In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to save Google Photos to your iPhone. All you have to need, open the Google Photos app on your iPhone, and here you have to find out the photo that you want to save to your iPhone. If you want to save a single photo, just open the photo and tap on this three dot, tap on download, and the specific photo will be saved to your iPhone Photos app. Let's go to our Photos app, and from collection, tapping on recent days, saved today, and here we can see the photo that I just saved from Google Photos app. And now let's see how to save multiple photos at once. All you have to need, long press on a photo and the selection will be enabled. Now you can just go ahead and select multiple photos or videos and then tap on share at the bottom left, and here you have to tap on save images, and your selected images will be saved to your iPhone Photos app at once. Thanks for watching.